Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. I am showing you my P&L on this particular account today for a little bit of accountability, but more importantly, with a word of warning. This particular account, it's an evaluation. It's a 150K account. So to pass this evaluation, I need to get $9,000. You can see right now the net liquidation balance is 155,439. Earlier today, I was within $400 of passing this thing and just had to push it a little bit further and then lost and then tried to get back what I had lost and then tried to push it a little further. So overall, this P&L, negative $365, that's not that big of a deal. But what I created by doing that is pretty much decimated my trailing threshold. So I have a very, very tiny trailing threshold left. Now, it's not completely dead. There is still hope, but let's just say it's not good. And to have been so close this morning to hit that 159 number here, and then to be so far away from that, over $3,500 away from that now in the same day, is so frustrating. So, my advice to you, based on my terrible, terrible situation today. And what's so frustrating is it started out so well. I was trading really well this morning. Things were clicking, things were working. I was locking stuff in. And then it just all went to hell because I was so close and I tried to force it. So, word to the wise, if you're going to lose your mind, do it on an evaluation. Very luckily for me, I had stopped trading my funded accounts earlier today. So I already had profit on those. I locked it in. I turned those off. I stopped. This, because it was so close, I'm like, I'll just try a little bit more. And then that completely ruined the whole thing. So again, if you're going to lose your mind, do it in an evaluation. Don't do it in a funded account. Speaking of funded accounts, the Apex 80% off sale is still on through this Thursday. At least that's the current state of affairs. So if you need to grab a new account, grab a fresh account, reset your account, whatever you'd like to do, my recommendation is to get them while the getting's good. In other words, where you can save yourself a little cash, that is the time to lock them in. Good luck out there. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.